Welcome to Bike Shift, where we explore the machines shaping tomorrow's roads. Today's focus is the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters, a motorcycle that signals a bold new direction for the iconic brand, bringing classic Royal Enfield character into the lightweight commuter segment. For decades, Royal Enfield has been known for midsize and large displacement motorcycles. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters marks a strategic entry into the entry-level class, designed for young riders and daily commuters who want heritage styling without the bulk or cost of bigger engines. This bike blends accessibility with the brand's timeless DNA. At the heart of the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters is a refined, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine built to balance efficiency and reliability. Tuned for city riding, it delivers smooth power delivery, quick throttle response, and excellent fuel economy. The lightweight chassis ensures easy handling in traffic, while the engine's tuning prioritizes low-end torque for effortless everyday riding. Visually, the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters stays true to the brand's classic roots. A teardrop-shaped fuel tank, round headlamp, and clean body lines give it a premium retro look. Subtle modern touches like LED lighting and updated paint schemes keep it fresh, making the bike appealing to both traditional fans and new generation riders. Comfort is a strong focus on the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. An upright riding posture, well-cushioned seat, and neutral foot peg position make long commutes less tiring. The suspension setup is tuned for urban roads, absorbing bumps with ease while maintaining stability at higher speeds. The bike feels planted, predictable, and beginner-friendly. Despite being a 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle, this model comes with essential modern features. A digital analog instrument cluster provides clear riding information, while safety-focused elements like a front disc brake and single-channel ABS enhance rider confidence. These features make the bike practical without overcomplicating the riding experience. Fuel efficiency is a key strength of the 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters. Designed for daily use, it offers impressive mileage, low maintenance costs, and dependable performance. This makes it an ideal choice for students, office commuters, and anyone seeking a stylish yet economical motorcycle. The 2026 Royal Enfield 125 cubic centimeters represents a smart evolution for the brand, combining classic styling, modern efficiency, and everyday usability. It opens the Royal Enfield experience to a wider audience while staying true to its heritage. For riders looking to enter the world of motorcycling with style and substance, this bike sets a promising benchmark.